listen, let me just say, all of my clients are important to me. I am very serious about what I do. I know where that appointment's going to be. I'm coordinated with my witnesses. I know the signer's name, all the details that pertain to me, at least, regarding that notary appointment. But once it's over, it's over. I don't retain those details. I mean, I may be able to recall a little bit here or there, but for the most part, my role is over, so I no longer commit those things to memory. So because of that, as a notary, you can be called at any time into court. You may have to give an account of who the witnesses were, all of that. So I may say, well, I'm scheduling that appointment. Oh, sure. I can recall the witnesses. Oh, yeah, it was Mr. and Miss Jones, and her neighbor, who was also a gardener, was the witness. I may be able to do that maybe the day after that appointment, but once that appointment's passed, I'm not going to remember. And guess what? You probably aren't either. So because of that, we need to have a notary journal. You need a journal. You need to make sure that you memorialize in writing all of the information regarding your appointment, what type of identification you were able to see from that person, who the witnesses' names were, was it a jurat, was it an acknowledgement, what type of notarization you had to perform as a notary, because as it's been said, the faintest ink is better than the strongest memory. Don't rely on your memory if you get called into court. Don't rely on your memory if an attorney calls you to vouch for a notarization that you've taken a part in. So to that end, I recommend that every notary get a notary journal. Georgia Peach Notary and Legal Services does have a notary journal. It's $22. I designed it myself. The few things that I like that make mine stand apart from others that I've seen is, first of all, it's compact. As I continue to move and grow in my business, I realize that compact is, in most cases, better. So it's compact, it's very flexible, it's spiral bound. So you could just lay this out. You don't have to worry about, how you lay out a book that's not spiral bound, it's bound by binding. You have to push it down and make sure it's set, not with the spiral bound. It just lays flat. It also has space for 2 witnesses. In Georgia, many documents require two witnesses to execute a document. So most notary journals only have space for 1 witness. This has space for 2. It has all of the information that you need for your signer. And it's also front and back. So it's not just one page where you turn, this is 1 entry here, 1 entry is there. And for easy reference, every page or every page with a journal entry has a corresponding number. So, hey, I love it. So I just ask that you support my business. Go out and get a journal. It'll make a great, great gift. Right now, it's $22. Request the shipping at checkout. So thank you.